welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. For today's video, I am very late on this collection, but I'm so excited because I've been wanting to try out this collection. And if you see the title, then you'll know that it is the MULAN collection. I didn't buy the whole collection, but I did purchase 3 products from the collection. So it is the MULAN palette, and then I also have the blush, and then the last one is the lipstick. Of course, I cannot forget the lipstick. But I am really excited to finally be trying out this palette and reviewing it. The reason it's so late is because right when I purchased these products, COLOURPOP stopped their production due to COVID, obviously, and they were not shipping anything out. So my package was delayed, which made me really sad because I really wanted to do this video earlier, but because that happened, it's pushed back until now because they're finally shipping again. So I'm super excited to jump into this collection. I already have my foundation on. I'm ready to dive into these products and start applying them onto my face. If you guys are interested in seeing me create a look using these products, then you know the drill. Keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with the eyes. I primed my eyes with the P. Louise base primer. I'm super excited to try out this palette. I love the packaging. How pretty is this? It's red, it has these flowers in the back, and then it's just the shade names in the back here. Same goes for the blush. The same design, these flowers, this red design, everything is just gorgeous. Let's just go ahead and jump into the palette. I'm actually still not sure what I want to do for this look. I don't know. To start off, I always want to start off with a transition color. So I think Strength will be a nice transition color. This color right here, Strength. And the inside of this packaging is so cute. You have a picture of MULAN up here. Then we have some characters over here. Going in with this shade called Legacy, so which is this darker color down here with some glitter. That's just gonna be an all over color. Just look how dark and pigmented this dark brown is. Like, it's very dark. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. The reason I'm also so excited about this collection is because MULAN is like one of my favorite like Disney movie ever. I'm going back into the crease color Strength and just going to darken the crease color a little bit. Alright, and then for the center shade, I'm going in with this shade right here. And this shade is called Loyal, this nice red glitter shade. You by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. So I'm going in with my Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer, and this is in the shade Mastermind. And then for blush, I'm going in with the Matchmaker Pressed Powder Blush. And this is kind of like more of a bronzy tone shade. think it's a very nice bronzy color, which I really like, so I am not mad at it at all. And for today's highlighter, I'm going in with Laura Lee Los Angeles Glazed Kit, and I am just going in with this shade Diamonds over here. I'm going to quickly finish the bottom lash line, and I'm going to just be using the same shades that I used for the top lid. Ooh, this became a smoky eye look real quick. Alright, we're going to add the Earthquake liner from Marc Jacobs. Just love this brown eyeliner. Let me just go ahead and add some lashes real quick, and then we'll go and finish off this look with the lipstick. The lashes are on. These are Makeup Geek's lashes in the style Graceful. I also added this beautiful shade right here in the inner corner. This is from this shade called Like a Girl. Very nice, very glittery. I'm just going to finish the lips off. This is the shade MULAN. I believe this is the only lipstick that they came out with for this collection. And this is a cream lipstick. Then just look at this. Just the design of this is so pretty. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. And this concludes the look. I love this look. I love how it's just so smoky on the eyes. We have this pretty lipstick. It's like a nice rosy mauve tone lipstick. So I just love how everything turned out, and I hope you guys did too. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. I appreciate that so much. And with that being said, I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!